Hi everyone, it's Michael here, and today we've got an exciting topic to dive into. In this episode, I want to tell you all about a project called EigenLayer. Some experts are already calling it a revolutionary breakthrough since the creation of Ethereum. This project truly represents a big leap forward in the crypto world and has the potential to make Ethereum even stronger. EigenLayer has gathered significant attention in the world of cryptocurrency. With $15 billion in deposits and a remarkable $100 million investment from venture giants Andreessen Horowitz last year, it's clear that this project is making waves. But not everyone understands just how important it is. I think one of the main reasons is that the basics of this project can be pretty tough to grasp if you're not a specialist. I've spent a lot of time going through various materials to understand EigenLayer myself. Today my goal is to break it down for you in simple, easy to understand terms. I hope this video helps you get a good grasp on this topic and proves useful. So stick around and watch this video to the end. To get a clear understanding of the basics of EigenLayer and why it's important for the future of the crypto industry. Alright, let's dive in. EigenLayer made its official debut on the blockchain's mainnet on April 9th of this year. It's a fresh project that's been making waves right from the start. Now, let's talk about the brains behind EigenLayer. Who's the mastermind here? None other than Sriram Kannan. Before founding EigenLayer, he was deeply involved in computational biology research as a postdoctoral scholar at the University of California, Berkeley, and as visiting postdoc at Stanford University. I think we should start by discussing the two main ideas that underpin the project: the concept of staking, which Ethereum currently relies on following the transition from proof of work to proof of stake, and restaking. While the first one might ring a bell, the later might already be puzzling. Alright, let me break it down for you in simple terms. You know how when you lock your stuff in a safe, it's like putting a password on it to keep it safe, right? Well, that's cryptography. It's like the digital lock on your safe, making sure nobody can get in without your permission. But here's the thing. Keeping your stuff safe in the digital world, especially on a blockchain, involves more than just a lock. That's where cryptoeconomic security comes in. It's basically a fancy term for using money or rewards to make the blockchain network super secure. So instead of just relying on a lock or cryptography, we also use incentives and rewards or economics to keep everything safe and sound. So Ethereum works on proof of stake. POS is a different way of making sure transactions are secure on the blockchain network. Instead of miners doing all the work like in the Bitcoin blockchain, people called validators are chosen to confirm transactions. These validators put up some of their own cryptocurrency as collateral, which is called staking. The more cryptocurrency they stake and the better their reputation in the network, the more likely they are to be chosen to validate transactions. This method uses a lot less energy compared to proof of work, where miners solve complicated math problems to add new blocks to the Bitcoin blockchain. Okay, what about EigenLayer? It's this protocol built on Ethereum that adds a new layer of security called restaking. Basically, it lets you use your Ethereum again on the network to beef up security. So if you have staked your Ethereum or a liquid staking token, you can choose to use EigenLayer smart contracts. This way, you can restake your Ethereum or LST and make the network even more secure while earning extra rewards. Cool, right? Now, someone might ask, what else can we keep secure in Ethereum besides Ethereum in our wallets? Well, in Ethereum, you can keep a bunch of stuff safe like DeFi apps, NFT marketplaces, and blockchain games. Let's say you have 1,000 Ethereum and you're interested in becoming a validator for a blockchain project. Your role as a validator would be to help secure the Ethereum blockchain by validating transactions. Before EigenLayer, you would have to stake your 1,000 Ethereum to become a validator, and that's all you could do with it. Your 1,000 Ethereum would be locked up and you couldn't use it for anything else. But now, thanks to EigenLayer, things have changed. EigenLayer allows new blockchain projects to benefit from Ethereum security. Based on proof of stake, here's how it works. You can take your 1000 Ethereum that you've staked with Ethereum and restake it with a larger pool of Ethereum from other users. In return, you earn extra interest. So essentially, you're acting as a provider of security for Ethereum and benefiting new blockchain projects that rely on the security. Now, with EigenLayer's innovative smart contracts, you can work as a validator and still users stake the Ethereum for other purposes. This is what restaking is all about. Share your thoughts in the comments below, guys. What do you think about this? Essentially, as a risk taker, you're getting more out of your staked Ethereum, making your investment work harder for you. And all this securing work across different parts of blockchain happens simultaneously, providing pooled security. So what exactly is pooled security? Imagine you and your friends each have some Ethereum tokens. Now imagine pooling your resources together to make the Ethereum blockchain safer. Then someone tells you about EigenLayer. You and your friends can also contribute your Ethereum to this protocol to access new features or services it offers. So this is called pooled security or combining security. If someone wants to create a new service on Ethereum, they usually have to start from scratch to ensure it's secure, which can be challenging. EigenLayer solves this problem by allowing any service, regardless of how it's set up, to utilize the security provided by Ethereum's validators. This makes it easier for new ideas to thrive, for everyone to have a say in how things are managed. Sriram Kannan, the founder of EigenLayer, highlighted in one of his interviews on YouTube that EigenLayer prioritizes freedom. Our goal is to coordinate validators, node operators, and creators of these services so they can offer their services. It's a versatile staking software platform with clearly defined terms of exchange, and you can actively participate in it. Now let's take a look at the EigenLayer architecture, which consists of three main elements: operators, delegation, and actively validated services. Operators are like helpers who assist in running software on EigenLayer. They sign up on EigenLayer and allow people who stake their Ethereum to choose them to help out. Then they can decide to provide different services on EigenLayer. Delegation is when people who stake their Ethereum let operators help out or do the validation work themselves, effectively becoming operators too. Both parties have to agree to this, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Those who restake their Ethereum still have control over their stake and can choose which services they want to help validate. And finally, actively validated services are services that use EigenLayer and rely on Ethereum security. Operators are responsible for checking and validating AVSs, which help keep the network secure. In turn, AVSs offer services to users and the wider Web3 community. Excited about EigenLayer? Give us a like if you are ready to explore more about similar groundbreaking projects. Such a cool project like EigenLayer couldn't do without its own token, so EigenLayer is no exception. I think it would be really interesting to learn a bit more about this token. And if you're constantly on the lookout for new cool tokens and coins, this could be something you would like to know about. Yes, this protocol has its own token called the EIGEN Token. In May 2024, EigenLayer announced a long-awaited airdrop. If you want to get EIGEN, you will need to earn points by staking or developing with EigenLayer system. Then you can exchange those points for a set amount of EIGEN. Just remember, you won't be able to transfer any EIGEN until fall 2024. Currently, EIGEN tokens are not yet available for purchase. However, in the future, people will use it for various activities on blockchain platforms such as making transactions or accessing information. What's unique about EIGEN is its flexibility compared to other tokens. Users can stake tokens to help ensure the security of different services, even if there are some issues that aren't always easy to prove on the blockchain. Essentially, EIGEN is like an all-purpose token that can help keep lots of digital stuff safe. But here's the catch: if people mess up while using EIGEN to keep things secure, they might get penalized. Pretty interesting, right? Nobody likes penalties, but in the decentralized world, it's one of the basics of self-regulation in any large system. In EigenLayer, it's called slashing. It's how EigenLayer plans to ensure that AVS operators stay honest. It's like a security measure. If these operators behave badly, their stake or their investment could be taken away. Similar to Ethereum, EigenLayer uses a proof-of-stake system. EigenLayer will eventually pay interest to stakers, but this feature is still being worked on until the team of the project resolves issues with its in-protocol payment system. I want to invite you to join my Telegram channel, guys, for a unique crypto experience. Get access to inclusive content, valuable insights, and timely updates on blockchain, cryptocurrency, and DeFi. Click the link below to join and take your cryptocurrency journey to the next level. Can't wait to see you there, guys. EigenLayer is a cool new way to use Ethereum security to make your investments work harder and help keep blockchain services safe. Even though it's still growing, EigenLayer offers a promising and flexible way to be part of the crypto world while earning rewards. That wraps up today's session, guys. Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to give us a like, share our content, and subscribe for more updates on cryptocurrencies, trading strategies, and blockchain innovations. Until next time, guys, and happy risk taking.